Hello.
Hello there.
So I decided to do a 10 subscriber special because we're halfway to 1,000 and I got some new shoes, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. So yeah, I don't even know where the hell to open this from. I guess we just tear in the bottom. Okay. So the shoes I bought were PG3s. This box is very nice. Clean, crisp, white and black with silver running on top. Ooh, damn, they are damn nice. Gotta love that new shoe smell. Here's the PG3s. So I've got them in white and they come with a navy insole and gold Nike ticks and writing, and the speckles along the side seem to be red and black, or red and navy. I think they're navy, and red and navy underneath. So they are clean as hell. They are white as hell, and I am gonna have a lot of trouble trying to keep them this clean, so I'll be wearing these everywhere. So let's try them on. Hello! Damn, they are pretty tight to pull open. I'm sure they'll loosen up. That's what she said. Eventually. Success! Oh my lord, they fit damn nice. Shoe 2. God damn. Oh, hello there, little angler. Trying to get the laces on. I don't even know if I want to do the laces up. Probably just hide the laces inside or something. Damn. Oh, yeah, it's right enough. Stiff they are, they're not too uncomfortable. I mean, they will get some, need to get some wearing in. I love them. Why am I out of breath? You don't like my new shoes? What's so wrong with it? Oh, she's a good girl. Hello, Papa. Great for petting dogs. Alright, so time to give him an overall rating out of 10. Yeah, they're alright. But anyways guys, if you made it this far, I say congratulations. Just wanted to thank all 10 of you guys for watching the videos, helping me earn that YouTube money. There should be a song coming out very soon. I already have one done up from when I was learning to do all this stuff. So if you just want to see that, let me know and I'll post it. I have a new song that sounds pretty sick and I'm keen to release it very soon. But just gotta finish it up and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!